Hello, everyone. I found this great extension called Talk and Comment. And there's a lot of different ways to comment with audio all over the web. And this is just another one way, but this has a little bit extra special tool. I already have the extension installed, and you can see a little icon hanging over here on the right side of my screen. What makes this cool is that, yes, it's going to make a link to audio, but it actually does something even more. Now, why I'm going to have a Google form in front of you, because I see the power of this extension really being able to be used in a Google form. Have you ever had a Google form and you wish you could have audio in the form without having a link to take people out of the form? That's what you can do with this extension. So notice I have a sample question here, and say I wanted to read aloud this question so that my students could hear it as well as read it. So I'm going to go ahead and just click here, and then I'm going to enable this extension and record what I want to say. What is the capital of Wisconsin? And that quick, I made the recording, and now I get a link to it. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that link, and I'm going to paste that in. And you're thinking, oh, that doesn't look very great. But just wait. If you take an eyeball and see what this form is going to look like when the user gets it, look what happens. It actually makes a play window right here so you can read what the question is and be able to listen to it. What is the capital of Wisconsin? So I could do that over and over for each one if I wanted to add the a read response for each of these written responses as well. So check out Talk and Comment extension.